Welcome to our YouTube channel. The topic is trigonometric equations. The question reads, solve sine into brackets 2x plus 30 close the brackets. Its degrees is equals to 0.5 for the range you've been given from 0 up to 360 degrees. When you are solving questions on trigonometric equations, there is trigonometric 1, 2, and 3. You basically have to note the following things. Number one, that you look at the, first of all, they're asking for us the sign. It's the sign they're asking for us. Is it positive or negative? You look here, it's equated to a positive value. So that means the angle is positive. Then number two, the range of the angles. The angles should range from 0 up to 360 degrees. So if I'm the one who is solving this question, I'll focus first of all on the range. The range is from 0 degrees x, then 360 degrees. So we have, when x is 0 degrees, you consider this, when x is 0 degrees and when x is 360 degrees, using this equation here. So I'm going to take 2x plus 30 degrees. So when x is 0, I'm going to have 2, which is equivalent to 30 degrees. And when x is 360, I'm going to have 360 times 2 plus 30 degrees. This one gives me, this one is equivalent to 720 plus 30, which is equivalent to 750 degrees. So the range is from 30 degrees up to 750 degrees. So the angles that we are selecting are in this range. So we begin solving it. You first of all select the principal angle. The principal angle is always the minimum angle here. The principal angle is, so you take sine inverse of 0.5. So the principal angle will be 30 degrees. So that is the first angle. This one is the one that is assisting us to read all the other angles. So I'm going to have 2x plus 30 degrees is equal to, where the first angle will be 30 degrees. That's the first angle. Then I draw the unit circle. Have this. Some people say all students take chemistry. Some say all students take changa. Some say all students take coffee. I'll go with all students take chemistry. So the angle is here because it's a positive angle. So I'll put here, the angle will be here 30 degrees. And remember this is the very important part of these calculations, that the angle here is theta. The angle here will be 180 minus theta. Then this one will be 180 plus theta. Then this one will be 360 minus theta. So when you're selecting the angles, you're going to have 2x plus 30 degrees. We said it will be 30 degrees. The first angle will be 30 degrees, this one here. So you come and take 180 minus 30 degrees. That gives me 150 degrees. So these two angles will assist us to read all the other angles. By the first angle is 30 degrees. So what you just basically do, you add 360 to this 30. What you basically do, you add 360 to this 30 degrees. That one gives me 360 plus 30 degrees gives me 390 degrees. Then 360 plus 150 degrees gives me, this one will give me 510 degrees. I didn't carry my calculator. And then, so we've already focused with this one, 30 plus 360, 150 plus 360, it has given us 390 and 510. And then you forget about the two and then focus on the last two. So it will be 390 plus 360. This one gives me 750 degrees. If I take 510 plus 360 degrees, it will surpass the 750 degrees that is here. So I don't have to continue adding the angles. So you now begin finding the angles, each angle equated to this equation here. So you are going to take 2x plus 30 degrees is equal to 30 degrees. The 30 crosses the equal sign, it becomes minus 30. So that is equivalent to 0. So x will be equivalent to 0, the first angle. Then 2x plus 30 degrees is equals to 150 degrees. 150 minus 30, that is 120. 120 if you divide with 2 gives me 60 degrees. Then 390 minus 30 degrees will give me 360 degrees. 360 if I divide with 2 gives me 180 degrees. Then 510 minus 30 degrees will give me 480 degrees. It's 510 minus this 30. If I divide with the 2, it gives me 480. If I divide 480 with the 2, sorry, it will give me 240 degrees. Then the last angle will be 750 minus 30 degrees. That gives me 720. So if I divide 720 with 2, it gives me 360 degrees. So these ones are your angles. When you are solving equations on trigonometric, I said, number one, you should note that this one is, the angle should be positive, the range of the values, and then you should know that this is 180 minus theta, then 360 minus theta, and then 180 plus theta. Then you just solve and get the angles. Thank you. Like and subscribe into our YouTube channel. Thank you.